Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you for being here, checking out my YouTube channel. I would like to read to you today about Pranayama. We practice that a lot in classes. So I'm going to read to you today about what it is and why we should be doing that. So Pranayama is generally defined as breath control. The word Pranayama is made up of two words, prana plus ayama. Prana means vital energy or life force. It is the force which exists in all things, whether animate or inanimate. Ayama is defined as extension or expansion. The techniques of pranayama provide the method whereby the life force can be activated and regulated in order to go beyond one's normal boundaries or limitations and attain a higher state of vibratory energy and awareness. Prana in lifestyle. Faculties of the mind, such as emotion, thought, and imagination, affect the pranic body even more. Irregularities in lifestyle, dietary indiscretions, and stress deplete and obstruct the pranic flow. This results in what people experience as being drained of energy. The techniques of pranayama reverse this process, energizing and balancing the different pranas within. Pranayama practices should be performed after asanas, the physical exercise, in an integrated yoga program. Breath, health, and pranayama. The breath is the most vital process of the body. It influences the activities of each and every cell, and most importantly, is intimately linked with the performance of the brain. Human beings breathe about 15 times per minute and 21,600 times per day. The breath is intimately linked to all aspects of human experience. Most people breathe incorrectly, using only a small part of their lung capacity. The breathing is then generally shallow, depriving the body of oxygen and prana essential to its good health. Rhythmic, deep, and slow respiration stimulates and is stimulated by calm, content states of mind. Irregular breathing disrupts the rhythm of the brain and leads to physical, emotional, and mental blocks. These in turn lead to inner conflict and unbalanced personality, a disordered lifestyle, and disease. Pranayama establishes regular breathing patterns, breaking this negative cycle and reversing the debilitating process. It does so by giving us control of the breath and re-establishing the natural, relaxed rhythm of the body and mind. Although breathing is mainly an unconscious process, conscious control of it may be taken at any time. Breathing and lifespan. A slow breath rate equals to a long lifespan. Breathing slowly and deeply on the physical level is because the respiration is directly related to the heart. Breathing slowly and deeply being related to the heart, it helps as well on the physical level. A slow breathing rate keeps the heart stronger and better nourished and contributes to a longer life. Beautiful. The main points are to exercise moderation, balance, and common sense with regard to inner and outer thinking and living. These are just general notes for the practitioner. There are also some contraindications. Pranayama should not be practiced during illness, although simple techniques such as breath awareness and abdominal breathing in Shavasana may be performed. Time of practice. The best time to practice pranayama is at dawn, when the body is fresh and the mind has very few impressions. If this is not possible, another good time is just after sunset. Try to practice regularly at the same time and place each day. Regularity in the practice increases strength and willpower, as well as acclimatizing the body and mind to the increased pranic force. Do not be in a hurry. Slow, steady process is essential. You must practice on an empty stomach. Practice before eating in the morning or wait at least 3 to 4 hours after meals before starting your pranayama exercise. Food in the stomach places pressure on the diaphragm and lungs, making full, deep respiration difficult. Breathing always through the nose and not the mouth, unless specifically instructed otherwise. Pranayama should be performed after asanas and before meditation practice. After practicing pranayama, one might lay down in shavasana for a few minutes. A comfortable, suitable meditation posture is necessary to enable efficient breathing and body steadiness during the practice. Siddhasana or Padmasana are the best posture for pranayama. The body should be as relaxed as possible through the practice, with the spine, neck, and head erect. Those who cannot sit in a meditation posture may sit against the wall with the legs outstretched or in a chair which has a straight back. There's some side effects as well. Various symptoms might manifest in normally healthy people. These are caused by the process of purification and the expulsion of toxins. Sensation of itching, tingling, heat or cold, and feelings of lightness or heaviness may occur. Such experiences are generally temporary, but if they persist, check with the competent teacher. So this is the introduction about pranayama. I'll see you. Thank you.